It might look like an oversized Tonka toy, or the great-grandfather of a Hummer, but this Ford WOA2 heavy utility car is one of the rarest survivors from World War II. Ford are thought to have made some 9,059 of them between May 1941 and July 1944. However, as you might have expected of a vehicle that saw active service, the attrition rate was very high, and the lives they led once peace came were barely less punishing. This particular example took the late Mike Ebeling, a noted World War II vehicle restorer, 4 years of intensive work to return to its former glory. During that time, he used parts from 5 donors, many serving as patterns from which he refabricated pieces himself. Interviewed by Classic Military Vehicle magazine in 2006, he explained his motivation thus: "To own a vehicle, or type of vehicle, that played a part in the most awe-inspiring conflict the world has ever known gives me the inspiration to see the restoration through to the end. If I'm honest, I get more of a kick from the research and the restoration work than I do from driving the vehicle. Days spent at the Imperial War Museum's photo library in Lambeth, going over photos with a magnifying glass, endless research into the manufacture and variations in design, the armour service that would have used the vehicle, and even the equipment carried. Maybe, in some way, I do all this work in memory of my father, who was killed in France a month or so after D-Day. Of course, my life in the motor trade and service with the Remy must also play a part in my enthusiasm for the hobby."